Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you step by step that how to create engaging YouTube shorts using Canva. Even if you are a complete beginner, you have probably seen those short videos with stock images, text and AI voices. So today we are going to recreate that, and I will even show you how to bulk create shorts using Canva's built-in tools. So before we dive in, make sure to check the link in the description box, or maybe it can be in the pinned comments. So let's dive right in. So first of all, you have to head over to canva.com. Here you can see this address and the logo. Also, if you are on your Android or iPhone, then make sure to download their official app. You can just simply go to Google Play Store or App Store and search for Canva, and you will see a blue text logo like this. You just have to download them. Okay, now let's head over to canva.com. As I just told you, now click on videos. Here you can see this option video under the search bar. This is the search bar, and under that you can see this option video. So simply tap onto videos, and also you can just tap onto create, and then you can choose videos again. This is same. Now search for YouTube shorts and select a template. So let me search for YT shorts, and now select a template that you wish to continue with. The ideal size is 1080 by 1920 pixel. This one, just tap onto it. So after clicking on it, it will just create a blank canvas for me. Now if you have Canva Pro, you can use their built-in videos. Otherwise, head to sites like Pixels or Pixabay. I will show you. For free royalty images, let me type that again. You can get free royalty free footage. Just go there, and let's say I want a beach video. Okay, beach video, and let's enter. So as you can see, I search for beach video under the elements. So let's download one. Okay, so let's download this one. Okay, this one looks nice. Just tap onto your right camera, then save image as JPG format, and then save it. Okay, now let's head over to the Canva. So here you can see this little crown icon everywhere. So these ones are basically the premium ones, so that if you want to use them, you need to buy Canva Pro. But don't worry, today I am going to show you every methods for free. You just don't need to pay a single penny for anything. So as you can see, I have downloaded that. Now let's go to upload section, this one, then tap on to upload files, and from there we can just simply download upload any files of your choice. And there you go, you can see this. Let's make it larger. As you can see, I have downloaded the wrong ratio pic, that's why it is like that. You just have to search for beach video, YT shorts format, and then you will find a bunch of them. Okay, like this, you can see here. um that's it. Now add a text to our video, as you can see. Okay, instead of this, let's add an animation to it. um, let's search for animations, like go to videos and then search for some nature videos. As you can see, these ones are the free, so let's choose them. Okay, nature YT shorts. Now let's see, there might be someone. Okay, this one is perfect, so let's delete this one and add this one to the image. Okay, let's make it larger. Okay, so that's perfect, I guess. So let's turn on the image right now. and you can see this animation. Now let's say we want to add text to it, so let's add a text box. Now let's write something. So let's write something cool that have you ever think of. uh, let's type that have you ever thought of going to deep sea, going under to the deep sea, okay, going under to the deep sea. Okay, that's enough. Now let's say we want to change the color of the text, then let's change it to white because this would be much more nicer, I guess. And now let's make it larger, and let's change it fonts. Let's make it this one. Now let's change the color of the text. Let's change the undercolor of this text to this, and let's take it to here. And now let's choose the text and let's bold it. Okay, let's me tap on to have. So that's it. Okay, this one is enough, perfect. Let's add it to there. Now let's make the text shorter right from here. Okay, so here you can see this editing, and you can now add elements from let's see elements, and then search for it. And now let's add any free ones right from here. Let's choose ocean waves. Let's find a free one. Okay, this one is perfect. Let's send it to backward. Okay, let me choose this one, and let's bring it okay, Control Z. Let's change its opacity. Okay, let's change it opacity to, here you can see this transparency to light. Okay, so that's enough. So let's see the animation, and you can customize it using more using your creativity. So that was it. Now let's say you want to download it. So at the top right corner you can see this share option. Tap onto this and then tap onto download, and download it as MP4 video format. Then tap onto download, and you can download it easily. So that's it for today, and if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.